Hi, this is ZTE Blade A73 and I'll show you how to install a phone keyboard on this device. So first we should open the Play Store app, and in the search bar we should enter the name of the application, the green Apple keyboard. To get this application, just tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds. After that, just tap to open the app, click to enable in settings, and here green Apple keyboard, click on the switcher, tap to OK and go back. Tap to switch input methods and switch your current keyboard to the green Apple keyboard. So now the process is finished, and let's just check our new keyboard look. So we could see that this keyboard is so close to the iPhone 1 as all of the emojis. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.